Good morning, greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Adrian here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. So, I'm here in the kitchen. Mom is back there. And this morning, we are testing recipes for how to make butterbeer for Cade's birthday party. And the recipe that Mom got did not really taste like butterbeer, but Mom found some caramel sauce syrup in the pantry.
We bought it at Starbucks.
And I started mixing up a little concoction, and I think this actually tastes just like it. So with the whipped cream stuff that she made, so she made the whipped cream, and then she added, you added what, Mom?
Butter extract.
Butter extract and rum extract in there. Mix the caramel with the cream soda. Mix that all together, and I think it tastes... Okay, done. I think I made it. Try it. I think it tastes just like it.
It's better.
I think it tastes just like the butterbeer from McDonald's.
From McDonald's?
From Universal. Try it with some of the foam stuff too. Yeah. John approves. Hey guys, got to the post office loading dock. I'm gonna drop off my packages and we're gonna head out. Alright you guys, we just got to the Goodwill. I know I said yesterday that I was gonna go to the Veterans Thrift, but unfortunately that didn't pan out today because I had to run a couple other errands that weren't in the area at all, and I don't have enough time to go over there today. So we'll just have to wait till this Tuesday next week. That's when I'll be back, probably. So right now we're gonna head into the Goodwill and see what treasures we can find. See like a vintage Junie. Sounds like 25. Alright. You know, I forgot that today was Friday. I don't know what's wrong with me. I think I'm not getting the days of the week anymore. But the store is pretty picked over. There's not very many handbags right now, actually. A lot of them are now gone. What is this? Oh, that's like a weird sticky fabric lining. Oh my gosh, that's gross. But yeah, look at this. It's like so easy to just look through all the bags because there's barely anything at the moment. Yeah, this one has like 5 bags. Okay, well, that's the handbags for today. XOXO. See if they have anything cool in these carts. This is a battery case for what iPhone is this? This bag was like a combination of like a Coach bag and like almost a Michael Kors, but it just has like a monogram canvas in New York print on there. What happened to all their backpacks? All the backpacks are gone too. Do they have like some sale I didn't know about? Any cool mugs? There's a J mug. I think I've seen this one before. Maybe I can't tell you. You know, I'm on the hunt for like Anthropologie, Pottery Barn, Crate and Barrel. Look at this ship. This ship is really cool. $11.99 for that guy. That cat. Little pumpkins. Oh, they're cute. I'm like, should I get them? There's still Thanksgiving, but I'm gonna be strong and not get the pumpkins. This frame is like kind of fabulous, but then I was looking at these. These are actually pretty cute too. They're like mother of pearl inlay. I can't even talk anymore. Victoria Hagen. They're only, okay, I don't understand what the price difference is, but I'm gonna look up Victoria Hagen. I didn't even notice that it's from Target. It's still gorgeous. I'm contemplating getting them. So pretty. I also saw this one, but it's missing the back of the frame. but I don't really need any frames right now, so. Oh, this is like a faux fig, right? Yeah, it is. $3.99 for this guy. It actually kind of looks real from like far away. I got a PSP. I got these two furry charging bank things, which are awesome. And also look at the sun flare, look at the sky. Ooh, so pretty, right? Hey guys, okay, so I'm back in the house and in my room, and I'm so sorry I didn't vlog anymore once I got home, but we had dinner. It was so delicious. So today, when I went to go with my mom to see her friend, she gave us like a ton of salmon belly because she has like a catering company. They had like extra, and she gave us like, I don't know like how many packs, like 10 like individually wrapped packs or something. Like they were so delicious. Mom didn't cook all of them, of course. She only cooked like 2 little packs, and it was like enough for like all of us. And she made soup, and I wish I showed you guys, but I was just like so hungry and I just ate. And then I cut and dyed mom and dad's hair, so they're like all set for Thanksgiving next week, so they're all good, and hopefully I can get a haircut next week. I need to make an appointment still. Oh gosh. But I'm gonna end the video here. Today has just been so hectic, so I'm so sorry I didn't film too much, but I promise this weekend is gonna be super fun. My aunt and my little cousin, who you guys have seen like in last year's Thanksgiving, I think, and Christmas for sure vlogs, they're back. They're actually gonna be spending the whole week with us, so they're gonna come on, I think, Sunday, but I don't know what time, so that should be super fun. So get ready to see them. And yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun this week for Thanksgiving, and I'm so excited. So thank you guys again so much for hanging out. You guys had fun. Love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all later. Bye. What do we have here? A Kohan. This one's 15. This is that Be My Coffee that's thin here with a fur on it. What is this? Genuine leather. Dove gray. Don't know the brand, but the bag is